This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Mabuhay
Buhay
o
o
madayaw.
Welcome to ABCD.
Yes, today is July 12 and we're now to our 21st episode. Murag age ba sa nagdebu sa lalaki, attorney?
Oo, actually sa noong unang panahon, 21 talaga ang legal age bago siya binaba sa 18. Oo, so unang legal age. And yung uban mga establishments like casino is yata nga 21 gihapon ang minimum age nga pwede ka mo sulod or mag-play sa casino. If I'm not mistaken.
Oo.
Ayun. So, relevant pa
Oo.
rin.
Gani,
Ayun.
oo.
Oo.
Pero syempre, kontrolon sa nato atong kaugalingon kay nga ato ang hinaguang kwarta mawala
Yes.
sa didto kay
Oo.
usaon na lang ang ato ang panginabuhian kung magsigig lustay taon.
Yes, kumusta ba sa inyo dyan? Umuulan pa ba? Nandiyan pa ba yung si Bagyo?
Oh my goodness, murag nag-aginod na ta sa kawanangan, sa panganod
Yes.
kung unsa mahitabo. But anyway, let's pray na lang na unta mahimong fair weather ang ato ang next days ahead cause
Yes.
lain para baya ta kung mag-travel. Pero
Oo,
of
bantay
course,
sa
before
ating land
everything
travel.
else, we pray sa mga naapektuhan sa baha o tungod sa kusog nga ulan,
Itong
sa
mga
bagat.
landslides.
Oo.
Oo.
Yes, specifically dito sa Malapatan, Sarangani province. So,
dito.
to condolence sa tanan ng mga nawad-an o
Yes, oo.
kabanay na biktima sa panganod, no? Wala ko mag-expect na when worst comes to worst, no? But we always pray for those people nga naapektaran.
Yes. Oh,
But
but
of course,
anyway,
attorney, go ahead.
oo, dili ta makalimot na nadiri ang atong kinaham kada Domingo ang atong programang ABCD, no? Kanimong higala, no? Si Attorney Blue and CD
Carlo Dolier, yes.
Ayan. Oo.
So we are streamed over the Facebook page and YouTube channel of Kadangpan Digital and Attorney.
Yes, of course. Ato ang Davao Lawyer Facebook page ug Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Sa mga bag-o lamang naglantaw, what's this program all about? Again, we are delivering ourselves the lighter side of Attorney Blue as a legal counsel and Kadangpan
Yes.
Carlo Dolier as the media man. So, you get to know the lighter side of the two of us kay we deliver some segment na ginatawag ng 4Ps pero dili ni ayuda
Dili
o
ayuda
tabang.
ha. Basi mampila ta diri sa ato ang programa. But anyway, ano yung ating 4Ps, CD?
Panauhin, pagkain, pasyalan at pangyayari.
Ayun, oo. So, gulo-gulo man ang ating mga politika ngayon, pero tayo ngayon, relax na tayo. Kay Domingo man, no? So, Family Day, relax at di sa tamaguna-hunaan ng mga daghang mga kontrobersiya. So, ugma na pod or sunod simana.
Gani, oo. But of course, we'll get to the bottom of it with our first stretch of our program through our pangyayari segment.
Okay.
And of
So,
course, in relation to that, kay syempre, baguan lamang nahuman ang
mm,
World Travel Expo sa Northern
ayun.
Mindanao.
Mm,
Nakahigayon yun na dunay special appearance ang Miss Cagayan de Oro
oh,
2026
okay.
candidates.
Doon, pumunta pala sila doon, CD. Doon
Yes,
sa, ano ba yun? Centrio ba yun?
opening.
Mm.
Yes, sa Ayala Mall Centrio
Okay,
attorney.
oo. Yes, nindot. Oo, so naabatay, ma-share diha sa ilaha karong hapuna, CD.
Well, technically we have, but
Mm.
before we play the video, syempre, isa-isahon sa nato ang 12 official candidates
Ayun.
of Miss
Oo.
CDO 2026. So, we will go on sa tuwang slideshow, and of course, after which, we will reveal our top 5 picks after
Ayan. As
ma-play
usual.
ang video. Yes.
Oo.
So, let's go on muna sa 61st Miss Cagayan de Oro official candidates. So, from 12 different barangays. So, last year, 12 gyapon ang
Okay,
barangay, no,
12.
12
Oo.
candidates, but 10 barangays.
Yan
Tagduha ra
barangays.
ba tong katong sa, I think, I forgot, no, but I'm
Mm.
sure na tagduha nga candidates from last year.
Okay. Mo na nga na.
So,
Abot og
this
12.
time, it's the 12 official candidates from 12 different barangays of Cagayan de Oro.
Ayan. Tagsa-tagsa
So,
gyud,
ato nang
no? So,
isa-isa, no? So, start
okay.
off with candidate number 1,
Ayan.
Noreen Ashley Cabonyalda, representing Barangay 17.
Barangay
Pero
17.
nindot ra ba yan, no? Kay murag lahi-lahi ra man, pero murag parehas man na sa Davao ang numbering sa barangay. Yun nga lang,
Okay.
ang
Oo.
atua na ay dash.
Oo. Dash A, dash B, no? Dash C, dash D.
Yes.
Murag dash D raman siguro. Ano may dash E?
Walay
number
dash.
na. Oo.
No, walay sa Cagayan de Oro and Malaybalay City,
Mm.
walay A, B, C, D na clustering sa barangay numbers, but for this, it is Barangay 17, the line of 1.
Ayun. Okay. Sige.
So, next one is candidate
That's
number 2, Riza
Riza
Arandilla.
Arandilla. Barangay 31. Okay.
Pero
Hindi
kung
ko
sa
masya-
tuwa diri sa
Oo.
Davao, sa
Nasaan siya
Rojas
dapit?
Boulevard.
Murag Ross Boulevard.
Bitaw,
Okay.
pero it's line of 3 gihap, line of 3
Oo,
sila
tama.
dito sa CDO.
Oo. Ayan.
Next is candidate number 3, Natasha Dean Mutya from Barangay 40 or Barangay 40.
Barangay 40. Oo.
Yan.
Ilan
Next.
bang barangays yan sila dyan? CD? Sa
80.
80. Okay.
80 ka mga barangay, to be
So,
specific.
Next
Next is candidate number 4 from Barangay Carmen, Trisha Salwani Abalos.
Uy.
Right.
Alright.
Next, candidate number 5, Susmita Shin Itum.
Ito, Barangay
Kugman.
Kugman. Ayan. Nandyan ang office ng Silangan sa Cagayan de Oro branch sa Barangay Kugman.
Yes, oo.
Okay.
Right before we continue, no,
Yes.
napadaan lang ako diya sa Valencia. Kay naman ko yung nag-stop over me diha.
Yeah.
Naman diya yung Silangan branch sa Valencia.
Oo, naapo dito. Nakita ni mo CD? Oo.
Yes, oo.
Okay. Meron din tayo sa Valencia, newly open. We have Butuan, Valencia, Cagayan de Oro, and many more to come.
Yes,
Ayan.
puhon.
Next
is, of course, balikan na to. We go on to
Sige.
candidate number 6. Is Catherine Jane Young from Barangay Ipunan. And it seems she's familiar with me kay syempre
Okay.
nakaadto man kog Iligan. She was also a candidate from last year's
Miss Iligan.
pageant. Pero sa Iligan
Okay.
ra.
Dito siya, oo. Pero taga-asa
so
yun siya nakapuyo daw, CD.
CDO. Since
CDO.
na. As
Mm.
per her
Her,
knowledge, as per what she said.
she said,
So,
okay.
wala
Go,
siya
go.
magdahom nga naanapod ko diha
Nanapod
kay
ka. Oh. Mas
yes.
ma-amaze yun siguro sila kung mauban pag yung kunimo. Doon na ta.
Gani, oo. Lagi.
Sige lang.
We go
Okay.
on next sa laing candidate. We go on to candidate number 7, Harris Gregel Kaasi of Barangay Kauswagan.
Ayun. Kauswagan.
Yes.
Mm.
Number 8, candidate number 8 is Erica Gabutan of Barangay Lapasan.
Lapasan. Okay. Number 8.
Next is candidate number 9, Kayla Mar Judinel Lauron of Barangay Makasandig.
Yun.
Number 10, Mary Hyacinth Zamora of Barangay Nazareth.
Ayun.
Next is Princess Joyce Tagnuay, candidate number 11, representing Barangay Patag. And I believe murag concurrent na title holder diya sa isa ka municipality sa Bukidnon for this year.
Okay. So, pwede po dahil na diha sa
pwede po na diha. So, moto. And last but far from least is candidate number 12, representing Barangay Tablon, Grisel Jane Vitorilio Torres, who appears to be the former Miss Philippines Earth Eco Tourism 2025.
Wow, mga bigatin pala itong mga candidates natin, no? So, ewan ko kung may mga resbackers din ba dito or yung parang galing sila sa ibang
I don't
budgets.
see any resbackers diha. Kaya syempre, lahi-lahi ra bang mga faces. Ayun very familiar faces for me.
Yeah. May napansin ako kung dito tayo sa city ng Davao, maraming resbackers. Diyan naman, maraming crossover. Galing sa
magdagang crossover.
But I think that's a good development also. Kasi napapadagdag din siya sa prestige and professionalism and competition dyan sa mga ganun na beauty pageant. Kasi kung lahat din naman parang baguhan or bagito pa, may rin siguro, may disadvantage. So sa tingin ko, excited din ako dyan sa anong pangyayari na yan sa this coming August ba na diya, CD? Ang ilahan sa?
Then, so August 1 is the preliminaries and then August 22 ang coronation night.
Ano ang style dyan, CD? Parang dito rin sa Davao, may 5 court, may 5 or 1, 2, 3 lang, first, second, and
I think lahi man gud ang format for Miss CDO. Compared to Davao, I believe na syempre namanggoy ingon natong
court, no? Katong 5 sila.
Kay ang lahi-lahi manggod namanggood sa sponsor visit.
Okay.
I think ambot lang kung nahitabo ba na diri sa mutya ng Davao kung na-sponsors visit, but I'm sure na they're still planning on it for the next mutya ng Davao for 2027.
Okay. Sige,
but
looking forward.
For the meantime, let's be honest, no? Kay syempre naglahi ra ba yung format sa matag pageant? And kay namanggoy preliminary competition, naman po'y unsa ni cultural showcase, pero I'm not sure unsay ingon makita nato for the period of Miss Cagayan de Oro's formats, because again, dili ko taga Cagayan de Oro attorney.
Yeah, sige lang, we'll play it by ear. Monitor lang din natin. But iba rin yung mga beauties nila dito, no? Napapansin ko na parang parang hirap piliin yung 5, no? Especially na ako, hindi ko sila na meet din personally, but I hope na yung pipiliin kong 5 meron din namang tatama doon sa finalist or baka manalo din ulit, di ba, CD?
Precisely, but we're not sure what will be the catch for that.
Yeah.
So technically ato ang atangan no. For now, we will have to play the video as syempre nakahigayon ang inyong ubos nga lagad, and course, sa uban pang mga content creators and exhibitors of the World Travel Expo Northern Mindanao para makapangutana to the 12 candidates each kay nag-meet and greet na sila. So, let's all watch this first part of our video sa Miss CDO 2026 meet and greet during the World Travel Expo's opening day last July 3, 2026.
That's why.
Introduce mo yung sarili mo. Bulawan ng adlaw mga higala. I am Yureen Ashley Cabonyalda from Barangay DC 7. And your question from one of our media.
Alright. A pleasant afternoon, mahigalaw ng Pabulawan ng adlaw, mabuhay o madayaw. I am Carlo Dolero of Kadangpan Digital, and I'd like to give a rigorous impromptu question for you. As someone who is an embodied Cagayanon, in what essence or resemblance of a tourist spot in Cagayan de Oro that represents your personality as well as your advocacy joining Miss Cagayan de Oro for this year?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question, sir. If there is one tourist spot or activity in Cagayan de Oro that I would resonate myself with, it would be the white water rafting. Because growing up, it is not easy to grow in a humble background. I come from a poor family, and I am the first college graduate in my family. And I've learned that, like the water rafting, there are a lot of challenges in life. There will be barriers, and there will be hindrances that would prevent me from pursuing my dream. But with that, there will always be an end. And that is why I graduated with summa cum laude and an outstanding graduate of the School of Education, because no matter how hard my background is, I was able to come through unscathed. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay! This is Rise Amaze Healer Adelia, representing Barangay 31.
Good afternoon, Ms. Riza. Just like to ask you, what inspired you to join Miss Cagayan de Oro pageant?
The reason why I actually joined pageant is because of my grandmother. Because my grandmother loves to show appreciation in everything that I do. And right now it is her 40th day of that anniversary, and I will always carry her soul with me. Because her presence means more than just standing here. It is also representing the Barangay 31 here in Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you so much.
Maayong adlaw! My name is Natasha De Agono Rita from Barangay 40.
Hello once again, Natasha Dean Mutia. Since, of course, your surname is such as Mutia or Binibini yourself, as someone who is really an embodied Cagayanon, I'll give a different question for you. What one word would you describe yourself that resembles the beauty of Cagayan de Oro aside from its City of Golden Friendship slogan?
One word, and that word would be humble. As a certified Cagayanon myself, I would say that aside from having a golden friendship heart, I would say humbleness embodies a true Filipina and a true Cagayanon. Because not only we encourage other people with our tourism or beautiful places, and of course having the ability to hospitalize other people, being humble will help you reach the top. Thank you.
Mabuhay! This is Trisha Salvani Avalos all the way from Barangay Carmen.
Hi, good afternoon. I am Shari of Shy Talks and Travels. And my question is, it is a question given to me so many years ago. If you will become a president for 100 days, what are you going to do?
Thank you so much. If I was given a chance to be a president 100 days ago, I would definitely offer a lot of jobs for all the Filipinos, for them to support financially for their family, especially for themselves, and of course, to give the chance of the local tourism, and that's all. Thank you.
Mabuhay Madayao, this is Zuzmita Sheen dito from Barangay Kinan.
Yes, I'm from the QTOH. My question to you is, what role does your family play for you as a candidate to this Gando project?
Actually, the role of my family, especially to me right now joining Miss Cagayan de Oro, is always keep on reminding me to stay humble and never to allow yourself to take above others and to always look forward, never on the things that makes you negative.
Mabuhay, I am Catherine Jane Young. I'm proud to represent my beloved Barangay Ipunan.
Hello, Ms. Iponan. What is your take on the recently very controversial Hafiz? Like the Hafiz who are joining the pageant. I am from Pabdabo.
Thank you so much. Well, I myself is not a pure Filipino, but I am proud to be in this stage and to try to represent my own city, because I truly believe despite our gender, despite our culture, we deserve to be seen, and no matter what hindrance it is, as long as we have our goal to ourselves, then we can make it. Thank you.
Ayun. So, first half pa lang ni, we will have to stop sa first 6 of the official candidates, no? But
6 na, no? Out of 12, yan, CD. Oo.
Yes.
Na ano lang ako, na-amaze
what
ako
do you
sa ano
think?
yun, Hafiz. Ano sabi nyo, parang ano, mga mistisa ba yan? Yung ibig sabihin ng Hafiz.
Well, I'm not
Oo.
sure of the term.
Oo, pero matagal naman siguro yan na marami mga mistisa, kaya nga medyo gumaganda kasi ang Filipino blood, kahit anong ihalo mo, maganda or gwapo pa rin ang resulta. Di ba? Ayun.
Maganda, pura buyag.
Oo, buyag. Oo, so ayan. So
You already
exciting.
know, okay, every time when we say to the person who's guwapa, we say pura buyag.
Oo, bitaw.
Basin madutlan o
Mabuyag.
gano, dili maayo, no? So,
Oo.
at least,
Okay.
pero syempre, di nato mailimod na ang kagwapa sa Pilipina, depende na sa roots or katong
Yes, oo.
asa maliwat.
Ayan.
But anyway, attorney, no, we will go on for a short break. Kay syempre,
Sige.
ato nang itiwas lang the other 6 candidates when we return. Please stay with us.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Friday night in the program ABC Anuncio Batas at Cooperativa, 7 p.m. every Friday night at Double Lawyer Facebook page and Double Lawyer YouTube channel.
Mabuhay Madayaw! I am Attorney Christine Joy Bermudo, your Sinag ng Davao 2026, and you are watching Kadangkan Live with Carlo Baler.
Mabuhay Madayaw! Ako si Robin Grace Vidali, ang inyong patnubay ng Davao 2026. You're watching Kadangban Live with Carlo Dolier.
Alright, and we are back.
Yes, if you just joined us, you're watching ABCD episode Legal Age 21. It's July 12, 2026.
Yes. And you're still with us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
Before we continue, syempre, ato nang itimbaya o belated happy birthday di ay no to the last barangay in Davao City before Panabo, no? Kay syempre dili pwedeng di na nako i-greet, no? Ato nang itimbaya happy birthday to Barangay Lasang Kapitan Alan Simuag. Happy birthday.
Ayan. Happy birthday
ug sa tanang mga nag-birthday karon ug kagahapon ug sa nilabayng mga adlaw ug sa muabutay pa lamang, happy birthday to each and
Happy
everyone.
birthday sa inyong
May
tanan.
you have many more birthdays to come, and I hope ang inyong edad madungagan na ligon, baskog ug maayong panglawas.
Ayan. Okay.
So we will continue, attorney, no? Ang nahibiling
Sa
unong
second
pa ka
half.
mga kandidato, starting from number 7.
Mabuhay! This is Eris Grajel Dancing Kaasi from Barangay Kauswagan.
So, good afternoon, Miss Kasalan. All of you are claiming to be the Miss next CDO 2026. So, for you, my question is, what is the true essence of beauty queen?
I see. Actually, this is my first time joining this big of a pageant, and because of how long the duration it is before the grand coronation night, I really understand the nervousness that we would have throughout the months in preparation. It made me, it gave me a different perspective in pageantry. It's more than just the crown. Actually, it is a platform for us to use, not just to use our voice, but to also represent the people that we want to represent, of course, which is Cagayan de Oro. So, to all dreamers, and to those who are dreaming to also be a pageantera like us, I hope that all of us will understand that it is more than just beauty and brains. It is mostly about your actions and what would you do after you get the crown. Thank you.
Mabuhay! I am Erica Palado Kabutan and proudly representing Barangay Lakasan.
May galawang adlaw to you, candidate number 8. This is a question that I'd like to ask because of the recent that is happening right now for our children, simply because of, I'm not gonna specify, but do you have a message to our parents that they should take their responsibility to check out on our children regardless of what happens in their future?
Thank you for that question. Standing here today as a woman who is molded by my parents, and I think the message that I would give to also those parents, especially those parents who doesn't take good care of their children, is that you should educate your child and give them the love, the care, and the support that they need, because that's something that could also motivate a child to do better in all their endeavors in life. Thank you so much.
We are Mayong hapon, everyone. I am Kyla Marginal Silauron from Barangay Makasande.
Hello, Kyla. Good afternoon. I am Shari once again, and my question is, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why?
As a sociologist, I've always been a passionate advocate for family enrichment. I want families to be stronger and closer because I have learned that there are a lot of social issues in our society that are deeply rooted in dysfunctional homes. So for us to alleviate the conditions of our world right now, what we need to do is to fight these social issues at the very root, which is the most basic unit of society, the family. Through responsible parenthood, open communication, and shared values in the family, we can create stronger families. Because I really believe that stronger families create stronger communities, and I truly believe that it will create a stronger world.
Mabuhay! Mary Hyacinth Zamora, Barangay Nazareth. We have a question from the HR manager of our official hotel residence, New Dawn Plus. Go ahead, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I would like to ask how confident are you that you will win the competition? And if yes, what would you give yourself as a good leader, especially for the existing problem sa ating young generation?
Okay. As a beauty queen, I am confident that I will win the crown. Though all of us deserves to win the crown, but I myself was confident because of the situation that I've been facing. That despite that I lost my phone, just a recent event, I chose to accept it, learn from it, and move forward. And I want to tell our younger generations that despite our setbacks in life, we should learn from it, accept from it, and move forward in life for us to have a better future. Thank you.
Princess Joyce Makulong Tagluay, Barangay Pata, Maayad Haanlaw at Iniwalay.
Hello, good afternoon, Miss Papan. Hello here. My question for you is, regardless of anything, if you would given a chance to change the government nowadays, we all know about the issues and all the stuff. What would it be and why?
If I would be given a chance to change one thing in the government, that would be to give more transparency to the people. Because as we all know, we have experienced a lot of issues in our government. And our people, we citizens, deserve the truth and the transparency. Thank you.
Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan. I am Crizel Jane Vitorio Torres and I am representing Barangay Tablon.
I'm saving the best for last, asking you the question. This is a really serious one. If ever you will choose one thing, do not choose any, all of the above, but what is your decision that your family might tell you, quit your pageantry? Which would you choose? The love of the family, the love of the career, or the love of pageantry?
Okay, since I was given the choices and told to choose one thing, it would always be the love for the family. My family have been with me for 23 years of existence here in Cagayan de Oro. And I have also been am here in this very own stage in front of you because of them. I have joined pageantry since I was in high school, and it's all because of my mom, who's always been there for me, supporting me, even when I started in a school pageant. And if I was given, and if I will be given a chance to be your next Miss Cagayan de Oro, please know everyone that it is not only by my own hard work, not only by my team, but it is by my family, because it is their love that sustains me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies! And there you have it, friends. Miss Cagayan de Oro official 2026 candidates.
Ayun. So that's about it sa 12 candidates of Miss CDO 2026 attorney.
Yeah, magaganda rin yung mga sagot nila, and hindi naman masyadong madali sagutin yung mga tanong ninyo. Kaya siguro I impressed ako sa mga sagot nila. No? They're very, very competent.
Actually, sa terminology, walang tapon. Sagot lahat ng tanong namin.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sino yung iba pang doon, CD, nagtanong-tanong?
Aside from me and the person who had invited me, actually, mga content creators and katong mga exhibitors from that recently concluded World Travel Expo sa Northern Mindanao. So anyway, congratulations pala to the Managing Director of AdAsia Events, Miss Miles Caballero, for a successful run for 3 days. And one thing's for sure, lami ba akong tulog sa hotel na akong gisihan at that time. Which we were gonna discuss it later on.
Oo, matestingan siguro yan kung magpunta ng CDO, no? Punta ako dyan.
Yes. For the meantime, I think it's high time na atong i-reveal ang top 5 picks. And again, our picks does not reflect the results of the candidates and the pageant itself.
Disclaimer lang ha, baka sabihin ninyo nag-i-influensya kami.
No,
Hindi,
it's
katuwaan
based on
lang
our
ito.
personal choices.
Yes,
so,
yes.
ato nang lantawon ang top 5 picks. Again, as we have done it before, this is in no particular order.
Sige, CD.
So, tanawon sa nato unsay gipili ni Attorney Blue. Let's go on with the first choice. And that is yun,
si Miss
Sheen Itu of Barangay Kugman. The next one is this. Princess Joyce Tagnoay of Barangay Patag.
Ayun.
The next one, Noreen Ashley Cabonyalda of Barangay 17. The next one is Natasha Dean Mutya of Barangay 40.
Apelyedo pa lang, mutya na.
As what I have said with the question, since her surname is like a binibini or a mutya.
Yeah. Okay, and last but not least, Kinsaman, ayan.
Riza Arandilla of Barangay 31.
Ayun. Sige, yung sa'yo naman, CD.
yan yung
take note ha. Oo, record nyo na yan. Record mo, CD. Tingnan natin.
Screenshot nyo na rin para meron kayong reference. Pero kung dili mo ganahan sa choices na mo, it's up to you. Kung naamoy
for me, I think everybody is a winner for the 12. No? Napakagaling nila, napakaganda. Very smart, and the way they carry themselves, no, I believe na all of them are deserving din naman.
Yes. Okay. Now it's time for my picks as per everyone's knowledge.
Meron ba tayong kaparehas?
In no particular order.
Okay.
Una sa nako ni ang personal choice nako
Uy, parehas.
Yes.
Oo.
She is currently Miss Talakag 2026.
Okay. Asa man na banda ang Talakag CD?
It's in Bukidnon.
Bukidnon. Okay.
But she
So,
had,
ayan.
marag half Manubo, I think, siya.
Okay. Oo.
So, technically. The
So,
next
IP rin
one,
siya. Oo.
kani. Saway Pagdapig-dapig,
Ah.
kani. Catherine Jane Young.
Ayun, sa Iligan. Oo.
Yeah. Now she's representing Miss CDO from Barangay Ipunan.
Ipunan.
So,
Ayun.
medyo dugay-dugay naman siya sa CDO,
pageant.
no?
Okay.
Since
Oo.
2019.
2019 daw. Sige.
The next one is...
Next one. Taran! Uy! Parehas. Parehas din. Si Miss Mutya.
Parehas.
Nastasia
Okay.
D.
The next one is...
Next one. Ayun, wala ko
Mary
niyan.
Hyacinth Zamora of
Oo,
Barangay
parang-
Nazaret.
Oo.
I still do believe na makaraga siya despite na medyo na in shock baya siya, no, sa naitabo, and also at the same time nawala po ang iyang iPhone.
At that time? Oo.
Yes. Sa press
Okay.
presentation pa lamang, wala na niya gi-mention, but she still managed to accept it and would go on sa competition.
Okay. Sige
And
lang.
the last one,
Last
I
one.
think I have to choose this cause heartfelt man niya, pero mo ni. This
Okay.
one from
Crystal
Barangay
J.
Tablon, who's the
Victorillo
former
Torres.
Miss Philippines Earth Eco Tourism
Oo.
2025.
So, so marami palang title holder din dito sa kanilang 12. Isa, dalawa, tatlo ba? Tatlo or apat, no?
I think.
Oo.
So, daghan naman
Ayun.
po, no? Oo.
Exciting.
Yes.
Oo.
So, that's
kaparehas
about
natin.
it, Jud, no? For our top 5 picks.
Yes.
Sa
and
makausap, disclaimer lang niya. It is our
disclaimer,
personal
katuwaan
choices
lang ito
and,
sa atin.
it
Oo.
does not reflect the official result of the competition.
Alright. Oo.
So we will go on na sa tuang short break, and when we
Okay.
come back, we will do our mandate na i-feature nato katong lami kayo kung tulog sa hotel na akong gistayhan, which is already the silver sponsor of the aforementioned event that was recently concluded. So don't go away, we'll be right back.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Saturday night in the program, The Attorney Blue Show, 7 p.m. every Saturday night at Devil Lawyer Facebook page and Devil Lawyer YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Alexa Rhoda and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025, and we are here with Kadang Pang Live with Carlo Delier.
And we're back.
We're back. So if you have just joined us, this is the final stretch of our program, ABCD, together with yours truly, CD Carlo Dolier.
And AV, Attorney Blue Ventosa, episode 21 na po tayo, July 12, 2026, sa inyong paboritong programa every Sunday afternoon.
Yes. Kay hapit na baya panihapon, to be specific, attorney, no?
Oo.
So, mauto, no? Para sa mga baguhan lamang naka-tune in, palihog, i-comment lang dire kung asa mo gikan, and we will try our best to greet you as much as possible.
Oo, kung meron din kayong gustong ipa-feature na kahit anong 4-piece sa ating pagkain, panauhin, pangyayari at pasyalan, please comment din sa atin dito.
Yes. Side bit lang na ako i-plug no that the interview with Hannah Mage Picho is available sa Tuwang Kadangpan Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel.
Ayan,
This is
oo.
a very deep and meaningful conversation of which syempre from her struggles to her joining sa Mutya, stating that she is the first plus size Mutya in the history.
Oo.
So, and also her advocacy for our dreamers, sa mga teens and kids to be exact. So, I know na medyo bagwan naman naka-adtog CDO in the past months, no? But of course, syempre, di naman siguro ka nagreklamo nga way lami imong tulog na imong gistayan na hotel, attorney.
Hindi naman. So far, maganda naman experience natin dyan sa CDO. Pero ako parang interested din ako masyado dyan sa na-mention mo na yung New Dawn Hotel. Not plus dyan sa CDO. Tingnan din natin siguro next time makapasyal kami dyan. Try din namin dyan mag-check-in.
Yes. So technically, for the benefit of the viewers, no, it is a 20-story building na may rooftop na makita nimo ang overlook sa Cagayan de Oro.
Yes,
so, nindot baya na siya. And also, makita mo po nimo nga lami kayo ang ilang mga pagkaong gidalit para sa mga guests.
Okay.
So, we will share this episode through the interviews from the personnel of the New Dawn Hotel Plus in Cagayan de Oro.
Buhay! Hello everyone, and we are here sa tuwang booth na one of the official sponsors sa World Travel Expo dinhi for the second time sa Cagayan de Oro. And of course, we're here with the personnel of the New Dawn Hotel Plus. Not only katong sa pinakataas, but also naman po yung New Dawn Pension Hotel. But ang ato i-focus karon mao ang main hotel, which is the New Dawn Hotel nga may top view restaurant. So kindly introduce po sa inyong mga kaugalingon. Please la.
Hello, I'm Rose po, one of the front office staff in New Dawn Hotel Plus.
Mabuhay. By the way, my name is Jefferson Padilla. From one of the waiter sa Top View Restaurant.
Yes. So, pwede ba nato i-explain sa atong mga non-Cagayanons about niining New Dawn Hotel Plus with the Top View Restaurant? O sa man po ang mga amenities na idalit para sa mga turista and also sa mga what mag-stay for their business trips to be exact.
Si New Dawn Hotel Plus ga-offer me og if mag-avail mo sa mo ang room na siya breakfast buffet sa room na mo na included na siya sa rooms. Dapat may welcome drinks to be claimed sa Top View Resto Bar. We also have parking elevator which is first ever here in Northern Mindanao. And also nami gym and napon may mga functions which is 4 functions po. Cater may birthdays, weddings, mga seminar, at daghan pa.
Yes. How you do that?
Also, we have, as you can see sa rooftop, sa 20th floor, makita ninyo dito ang city lights. Mas nice siya if mag-dine mo tagagabi. And also, the Top View Reservoir open siya 5:30 starting Tuesday to Sunday. For the Monday is closed. And also we have acoustic live in start siya sa Thursday to Sunday. And we offer also a reservation and also a seminar kay na may mga function besides sa top sa Top View. And also ma-enjoy ni mo dili lang ang ang view, also we have also a friendly nga staff.
So karon ikaduha na kahigayon nga nakasanmat niini, but of course sa experience na to, of course kay tulo ka adlaw in yung pag-abuhatan and promoting your establishment, and also not only sa hotel but also to the entirety of Cagayan de Oro. Well, also yan no, expectations po alang sa mga non-Cagayanos raman po, for those na gusto mag-avail regardless kung sa may promo o sa may bago nga mga idalit para sa mga gusto mag-check-in.
Karon sa day 3 sa good for 3 days sa World Travel Expo, napit sir gift certificate na ma-offer sa mga tao nga mag-avail here yang sa muang booth sa from day 1 to day 3. We have a gift certificate worth 2,000 pesos. Wala na siya with breakfast buffet na siya, and also complete amenities na siya sa room, sir. All in na siya. 2,000 pesos lang po. And we also have a raffle for sa Tamgi Resto Bar na po, sir. Na dire kaya po na siya makuha sa amuang booth sa World Travel Expo from day 1 to day 3.
Yes. So karon I think mag-usa na kadekada karon ang New Dawn Hotel, no, but of course daghan na nang nagbago, but what is really unique katong sa mga tourists alike nga ginabalik-balikan nila for that, and what is how it reflects and it change the landscape of Cagayan de Oro sa tourism, to be specific.
Of course, sir, isa po na mo nga ika-proud, sir, kay accredited me by DOT, which is proudly na mo makuha na one of the first ever Muslim-friendly here in Misamis Oriental, which is the welcome me of mga Muslim sa among hotel, which is nami kanang 4th floor area nga for Muslims only, wala kay pork din ha, sir. And then, ma-assure na namo, sir, nga welcome gid sila tanan sa mga. And of course, amo ang sir. Isa po sa mga highlight sa mga hotel karon is amo ang elevator parking, which is first ever here in Northern Mindanao. Si New Dawn Hotel Plus pa ang first ever nakabuhat ng parking elevator here sa Cagayan de Oro po.
Yes. And we also have a prayer room para sa atong mga Muslim located siya sa 4th floor po.
So kanina daghan na gyud ang pag-uno, but of course more for almost a decade now, pero what is also na looking forward katong sa mga kapag-uhan for the New Dawn Hotel Plus diri sa Cagayan de Oro?
Actually, kuwan pa gid nga ginalook forward nga usually madugdan ako sa mga guests na mo nga ga-check-in sa hotel is ang kulang na lang gid sa mga hotel is ang swimming pool, which is mao ilang ginaano, pero as of now wala pa mi mahatag ana nga opinion regarding ana, pero apan kuan sa mga guests swimming pool lang gid ang wala sa mga hotel, pero other kuan is okay na gid siya kay nama ko sa gym, nami resto bar, at among mga rooms is kuan na pud siya all in na pud siya with breakfast buffet, and also well patik pud ang mga staff dito, sir, and isa po na sa reason na ginabalik-balikan sa mga si New Dawn Hotel Plus.
And we also we ensure na the safety of our guests nga while mag check-in sila sa hotel is safety ang ilang sila, and makakuha sila what is it again? Or will at home nga na.
Isa po na sa kina-picture sa mga hotel nga despite nga layo sila sa ilang mga lugar, especially ang mga travel for business nila, kina-assure ni New Dawn Hotel Plus nga among mga guests is ma-feel nila ang pag-welcome tamo mga staff, and also ma-feel nila ang para feel at home sa mga hotel mo.
Yeah. Murag karon lang ko sulod sa usa sa mga room sobra lami kayo akong tulog di tinuod sa pagabot nako. Yeah. So kindly invite na lang sa atong mga viewers Cagayanon sa non-Cagayanon sa alike. So syempre aside kaning 3-day World Travel Expo diri sa Centrio, asa mahimutan ang inyong New Dawn Hotel Plus and also asa mag-contact ang inyong syempre hotel.
We are located in Bacambus, Vela Street, in front of Sports Center, Cagayan de Oro City. And we also you can also visit our Facebook page, which is New Dawn Hotel Plus Lacua. Search.
So I inviting everyone na i-try ang Hotel New Dawn Hotel Plus para ma-enjoy and also ma-relax sila. And also sa matry nila also sa Tapi Reservoir kung unsa jud kanindot na to sa
Thank you so much sa inyo. New Dawn Hotel Plus, mabuhay. And syempre, maybe next year, balik-balikan na ako kung napa mo diri sa Expo. Yes, that wraps up our interview karon and we hope to see you sa mga musunod pang mga events.
Ayun. So, that's about it, no?
Ganda pala doon, no? Asan banda yung New Dawn Plus?
Right in front of the sports complex sa Cagayan de Oro sa Velas Street.
Okay. Oo, naa sila nasulti unsa to? Elevator parking para ang kotse na.
Ang inyong pwedeng park sa kotse through the elevator.
Tuyawan ng karon lang ko kadungog no. I really have to go there and see that for myself gid siguro CD. Nalantawan na ilang elevator parking or nasa likod or asa man siya tubangan
It's just right at the back and then naman po yan just right beside the New Dawn Hotel Pension na tapad naman po within the premises of the New Dawn Hotel Plus.
Okay.
As per what I know.
Very interesting but ang kulang lang daw nila sa ngayon yung swimming pool but siguro hanapan din nila ng ng space
given Okay. Pero mas nindot ba ang naingon nila na top view sa 20th floor? Kanang gani nga ini gabi igyod.
Yeah,
night light na gisend na ako picture sa imo sa Messenger.
Natanaw na ko. Dito po nice po dito no magabi kay kita gini mo tanan ng CDO palibot. Alright. Oo. Ang bilis-bilis ng oras.
But right before we wrap things up, I think na gusto nato ilakbit gyud kay hapit rabay ang kadayawan no.
Ibalita nato sila ning ato ang calendar of activities.
Yes, so let's give a roundup of what events na gustong inyong malantaw. So don't forget to mark your calendars. So, July 22, kami, mga media, of course, anticipated maning media launch for the Kadayawan 2026. Then, July 26, one of the accredited events of the Kadayawan, and of course, accredited man po na sa City Sports, ang Davao City Trail Ultra. Then, month-long celebration of the entire August, the big Kadaya One sale, Kadaya ONE. So, tanang malls, doon na sila i-offer ng mga discounts for our mall goers. Also, for the whole month of August, na ay Kadayawan Floriculture and Agri-Trade Fair.
Ayun, What else?
August 1 to 16, 2026, Kadayawan all over the city, best Kadayawan experience. So I believe na mao na yung murag tourism circuit kung masayop, no? So I'm not sure unsa may arrangement but we'll see it for myself kung tagaan na higayon nga.
Sige, tingnan natin kung ano yan.
Then on August 6, Misa Pasasalamat sa San
Okay,
Pedro Cathedral.
Okay.
Then, ang August 7, 2026, Subang Sinugdanan ug Panagtagbo. And I
Okay.
believe, di manggod sa tribal village sa Kadayawan.
Okay.
I believe sa sulod sa Ramon Magsaysay Park.
Okay.
I'm not sure. But also, the same date, it is the grand opening pag-abli sa Kadayawan 2026.
Okay,
Then, on August
August
7 to 31, 2026, kani, murag, usa sa mga atanganan pod, no? Apil nako og si Attorney Blue kana kung dili sa ipit sa maong oras
Okay.
ang Kadayawan projection mapping sa Davao City Hall.
Alright.
Same is August 7 to 31, 2026. Kada Bazaar 2026. Wala pa siguro kung asan nga na venue ani.
Okay.
Then
Sige.
for 2 weeks from August 7 to 23, 2026
Okay.
is the Kadayawan Agri Trade Fair 2026. Then on
Okay.
August 8, 2026, Salida Kadayawan, the short film competition premiere. August 8, Saturday is Tunog Kadayawan. The whole week of August 8 to 15 is Dayaw, the Arts, Culture, and Film Festival.
Dayaw,
August 8
okay.
and 9, 2026 on a weekend, it's Pananam sa Kadayawan. I believe it
Okay.
is mura food showcase.
Food show. Okay.
Yes. Then on August 9, 2026, cultural presentation sa Hiyas sa Kadayawan.
Okay.
Then on August 10 to 12, 2026 is Bantawan Cultural Culinary Showcase.
Okay.
And same is the Bantawan Cultural Performance. On Wednesday, August 12 is Sayaw Kadayawan. August 13 to 16, 2026, the Kadayawan Expo and Food Trucks Bazaar, which I believe naman na sa San Pedro. Then on August 13, 2026, the Grand Coronation of the Hiyasa Kadayawan 2026. August 14 is Agong ug Kulintangan sa Kadayawan. August 15, Dula Kadayawan, which I believe gibuhat man na sa People's Park, I believe.
Yeah.
Then same is Concerto Kadayawan. And of course, August 16 ang ginaatangan man gyud sa tanan, no, ang pamulak og indak-indak sa
Ayun,
Kadayawan.
ang ating floral
Sa
parade.
buntag hangtod udto, then
Okay.
sa hapon hangtod gabi is the grand showdown of the indak-indak sa Kadayawan. And of course, for
Okay.
more information, you may visit the Davao City Tourism Operations Office Facebook page for more details. Ayan.
Ayan, so
So,
full pack din pala, dami rin pala, no? Oo.
Yes,
So,
oo.
interesting.
So karon pa lamang daan, syempre pangandam ang inyong kaugalingon, or kung magplano mo nga moadto mo Davao, please do not forget the schedule of activities na angay ninyong adtuan. But of course, let's all follow naman the safety protocols kay lisod na baya, kay basin na ay mga dili maayong pangitabo. But of course, kung mag-participate mo sa mga events, make sure you bring a lot of water nga
Water, sunod
na
po.
water
Ating
bottle na lang, plastic water
raincoat,
bottle,
or
oo.
payong. Masimuwan na po.
Kung gamay na payong, okay lang.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
katong gamay, pwede to.
Siyempre.
Itong folding.
And of course, kamong mga travel vloggers, mga drone operators outside Davao, ayaw sa mong sulod og Davao nga wala mo'y andam nga permit or
Permit,
clearance from the Public Safety and Security Office. It's needed.
Alright.
Even if we are from Davao, even kamong mga taga Davao City, you still need to have that clearance
permit.
dito sa may Ecolan.
Ayun,
So,
alright.
sa moto, no? So,
Okay.
we don't have much time kay nalapas na ta sa ato ang 1 hour. But of course, we end our program by giving the Bible verse for this week. It is to love Him with all your heart, with all your understanding, and with all your strength. And to love your neighbor as yourself is more important than all burnt offerings and sacrifices. Mao na verse sa Mark chapter 12, verse 33. And thank you so much
Alright.
for watching, everyone.
Yes.
We end our episode by greeting Mabuhay!
Buhay!
Og Madayaw!
See you
again
next
sa inyong
week!
Sunday Habit, ang ABCD.
Amping.
Thank you so much and God bless. Happy weekend.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.